Mapping the online customer journey involves identifying key touchpoints like website visits, social media interactions, and email campaigns. Understanding these interactions helps businesses optimize customer experiences, ensuring each engagement is meaningful. By analyzing these touchpoints, companies can enhance customer satisfaction, drive loyalty, and uncover growth opportunities, ultimately leading to a more successful brand relationship. The customer journey is the complete experience with a brand, from initial awareness to post-purchase engagement. Every touchpoint, including website visits, social media, and customer support, shapes this journey. Visualizing it helps businesses enhance experiences, drive loyalty, and identify growth opportunities. Mapping the customer journey reveals pain points, helping businesses address obstacles that lead to abandonment. It enhances engagement by identifying opportunities for meaningful interactions, boosting conversion rates and satisfaction. Aligning marketing, sales, and support teams around shared customer needs fosters innovation and strategic planning, as emphasized by Harvard Business School experts. Modern customers engage across various touchpoints, from social media discovery to website exploration, personalized emails, and post-purchase support. Each interaction influences their perception and loyalty, highlighting the importance of a cohesive, connected experience to ensure satisfaction and retention. The online customer journey consists of 5 key stages: awareness, where customers identify a need and discover your brand; consideration, involving research and comparison; purchase, where transactions are completed; retention, focusing on post-purchase engagement; and advocacy, where satisfied customers promote your brand through word of mouth. In the awareness stage, potential customers discover your brand through search engines, social media, and digital ads. Providing educational content like blogs and videos addresses their needs. Strategic visibility through search engine optimization and paid ads ensures your brand is found. Notably, 79% of smartphone users made purchases via phone recently, highlighting mobile's importance. In the consideration stage, customers delve into deep research, comparing products and analyzing specifications. They seek validation through reviews and testimonials. Personalized engagement through retargeting ads and email campaigns keeps your brand prominent. Proof points like webinars, case studies, and free trials can boost conversion rates by up to 30%, showcasing real value. The purchase stage transforms potential buyers into actual customers. Ensure a seamless experience with streamlined checkout by minimizing form fields and offering guest options. Provide payment flexibility with various methods like credit cards and digital wallets. Clear communication through prominent calls to action and transparent pricing builds trust, reducing cart abandonment by 20 to 30%. Retention strategies are crucial for transforming buyers into repeat customers. Implement loyalty programs offering points and exclusive discounts. Utilize personalized communication through behavioral analytics for tailored offers. Provide proactive support with timely check-ins and responsive service. Repeat customers spend 67% more than new ones, significantly boosting revenue. Brand advocates significantly influence buying decisions, with 90% of choices swayed by trusted recommendations. Encourage reviews and testimonials to amplify your brand's reach. Implement referral programs to reward both advocates and new customers. Facilitate social amplification by simplifying the sharing of experiences and content across networks, maximizing your marketing impact at minimal cost. Creating a customer journey map involves 6 steps. Define clear goals like improving onboarding. Research your audience through interviews and surveys. Identify journey stages relevant to your model. List all touchpoints, including digital and physical. Capture emotions and pain points to find improvement areas. And visualize the map to uncover patterns and opportunities. Sarah, a 28-year-old runner, begins her journey by discovering a blog post on marathon training shoes, feeling curious and hopeful. She compares models, reads reviews, and watches videos, feeling engaged yet cautious. Confidently purchasing via mobile app, she feels excited. Personalized emails and discounts enhance her sense of value, leading her to proudly share her positive experience on social media. Sarah's journey highlights critical touchpoints: discovering blog content, engaging with product pages and reviews, seamless mobile checkout, and personalized email nurturing. Addressing pain points like size uncertainty with detailed guides enhances her experience. Emotional highs during purchase and post-race success foster strong brand loyalty, transforming her into a brand advocate. Mapping the online customer journey enables customer-centric decisions by focusing on real needs and behaviors. This approach enhances performance, boosting engagement and conversions. It also reduces churn by addressing friction points, improving retention and lifetime value. Additionally, it aligns teams across marketing, sales, and support, fostering a unified focus on customer experience goals. Mastering the online customer journey is crucial for growth. Visualize touchpoints and emotions to create resonant experiences. Use data for realistic journey maps, optimize each stage, and iterate improvements. Collaborate across teams for comprehensive insights. Your customer's journey is your roadmap to lasting success.